Hello, in this video we're gonna check all available gestures and motions for a lock screen in OnePlus 11. And to do this we'll need to open a settings. Right here we can scroll down to additional settings and find gestures and motions. Allow gestures and motions all permissions, and from here we can see them all. Now let's check how they work and if they work on a lock screen. So there's an entire tab dedicated for screen of gestures, and I'm gonna cover them at the end. Let's go for the first page. And here is swipe down with 3 fingers to take a screenshot. So if your phone is unlocked, it works like this. There's also touch and hold with 3 fingers to take a screenshot like that, and that will be the partial screenshot. Now let's check if both features work on a lock screen. We're gonna lock it, then try to wake it up, as there's no other way to make a screenshot. Let's tap 3 fingers, it doesn't work, but I think this one will work fine. Yeah. Next one is air gestures, and here I guess you will need to perform some gestures with your hands to make it work. So answer or mute calls. Let's enable it. And here you will need to perform something like that to answer the call, and something like that to stop it. And you can also mute calls by just holding your hand like that. And this probably should work on your lock screen fine. I can't show you exactly how. There's motions, raise to wake. If you enable it and close your phone, then pick it up in a grip, it should wake up like this. So you don't need to press on it or press on any power key. Lift ear to answer calls. Now if you enable it, this should work on your lock screen. So if your phone is locked, you can pick it up in your hand, then lift it to your ear when you have a call, and it should be answered. Next is auto switch to receiver. Automatically switch to receiver when you lift your phone to your ear. So this should answer calls automatically when you lift them to your ear. Flip to mute incoming calls. Now if you lock your phone and place it upside down like that, it will mute all incoming calls. And now we can move on to the screen of gestures tab. Here's a lot of them. So double tap to wake or turn on screen. It works like this. We need to lock it, double press on the screen, and here it wakes up. Let's try to double press again and it locks down. Next one is draw O to open a camera, draw V to turn on flashlight, and music controls. I'm gonna cover them all at once. So let's lock our phone, draw O to open camera. It works fine, but it needs practice. Draw V to turn on flashlight. Works fine. And let's try to draw V to close the flashlight. It works fine. Flashlight is turned off. There's also music gestures, so you can draw pause to play or stop music. There's an arrow to the right to skip to the next track. There's arrow to the left, which plays the previous track. Now let's move to the last options, which are quick shortcuts. Here we can enable them, or actually let's click on them first, and here you can pick which function this gesture will make. So we can unlock our phone, answer a call, or call some specific person, open any app from the list right here. We're gonna go for the app and Google Play Store specifically. Let's enable it now and try to draw Arrow app, and it opens our Google Play Store. And this basically works for all of these gestures right here. So there's M and W. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.